In this video, we will demonstrate how to operate the EagleNose blood gas analyzer. Step 1. Power on and user login. 1. Connect the power cord. 2. Press the on-off button located on the back of the device to turn it on. 3. Enter your user account information on the login screen. Step 2. Test preparation. 1. From the main menu, select Sample Testing. 2. Enter patient's information. 3. Select sample type. 4. Press Scan and use the scanner to scan the QR code on the test cartridge package. Step 3. Sample collection and loading. 1. Remove the test cartridge from its pouch. 2. Collect the blood sample. 3. Gently rub and invert the syringe several times to mix the blood thoroughly. Discard the first 2 drops of blood before proceeding. 4. Load the sample. Push the syringe plunger gently to load the sample into the cartridge. Load the sample to the fill mark approximately 150 microliters. Close the sample inlet cap firmly. You should hear a click when it's sealed properly. Step 4. Insert the cartridge and run the test. 1. Insert the prepared test cartridge into the analyzer. 2. The test will start automatically. Step 5. Read and print results. 1. Wait for the analyzer to complete the test. 2. If needed, print the results using the built-in printer. 3. Remove and dispose of the test cartridge appropriately.